This is Kronk, the pot-bellied pig. Enjoying some sun. Are you gonna hide out, Kronk? Here, let's throw your basketball. See if he brings it back. Go get it, buddy. Kronk likes to play fetch. Bring it back to us. There you go, good boy. Here's the ducks. Let's see if they'll hang out and be photographed. Typically they don't like it. Hey ducks. There's Broke Wing, or Muscovy with a broken wing. And then, oh, they're all hiding. They're all hiding. That was really uneventful. Thanks, ducks. Here's our chickens. They probably think I have food. I don't have any food right now, guys. We've already been fed today. We got lots of chickens. That's where the cows normally sleep. Hey, chickens. Then we got some chickens hiding out under their coop here, enjoying the shade. There's the rooster. His name is Jimmy. He's kind of a jerk. What's up, buddy? And some more of the little hens that haven't grown up yet. You gotta watch out for this guy. And this is where Jasper the donkey sleeps. It's hot today, so he's kind of chilling. Let's see if he'll let me pet him. What's up, Jasper? You interested in being pet, buddy? You interested in being pet? Yeah, there you go. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Alright, I'll leave you be. You stay resting. Go visit the cows. Cows are also up there. I don't know if you can see them. Be able to see them in a minute. So there's the, oh, I disturbed them. There's the cows. They were laying down. But now she's up. One of them anyway. Hey ladies. You can go back to sleep. I know it's hot today. But they move through a series of paddocks here. That ball was for Jasper. He's not interested in it. And then we keep rotating them across, and then they'll move back over to the other field. These are our chicken tractors, getting ready for the next batch. In a couple weeks the chicks will get here, and then they'll be out here in about a month. And they move every day to a fresh patch of grass. One of these will have turkeys, but the other ones will be full of chickens. And then they will move all the way down to the gate down there, and at that point they're ready for processing. So there's home base. I'm going to mitigate a lot of that dirt with wood chips, which they'll grind in, create some nice soil after they're gone. But we're about a week out from movement here, from paddock shift. You can see the grazing line of where they've been and where they haven't. But we'll just do a complete walk of the pig paddock. Again, it's about half an acre. And you can see the effect that they've had. A lot of bare soil, a lot of disturbance. All of the leaf litter has been tilled in by the pigs. And once I move them off, I'm going to broadcast just a generic run-of-the-mill pasture seed. There they are. Hey pigs. Well, don't get left behind. Come on. I'll broadcast a pasture mix, and then all of this will very quickly turn into this. And it'll rest for a year until the pigs are back in here. They only hit each paddock once a season, unless an emergency happens, a drought or something, and then I adjust accordingly. You can see I have them in a pretty soupy area here. I'm hoping that once I do tree plantings in here, because a lot of these standing trees are dead except for the maples, once I plant trees, it'll drink up a lot of this moisture and make this pasture much more usable. I also use the pigs to cut back. They don't completely eliminate, but a lot of this is rose bushes, multiflora rose. They don't eliminate them, but they do disturb them, and then I come in with a weed whacker and loppers and take them out. It's definitely swampy back in here. But this will give anybody interested an idea of how we keep them and the general size of their paddock and the effect they've had. They've been in here about a month, and you can see anywhere where the soil can be disturbed, they've disturbed it. Oh. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm trying to tromp through the woods here. Again, more rose bushes, which I'll knock down and kill. Well, I won't kill them, but I'll lop them off. Then I'll plant pasture seed around them. They make little mud holes in there. Those will just turn into little frog ponds, which I'm perfectly fine with. So we're back into the area where grass doesn't really grow anyway due to the canopy. The pigs just kind of ignore this spot. They really love the grassy areas. Like I said, once we get a lot of these dead trees out, and even some of the living ones, it'll open this up nicely, and we can plant low growing things that'll be edible to the pigs. There's one of the watering systems. We have 2 of those in the paddock. Right now I got 12 pigs, and that lasts them, the 2 of them last them, I don't know, 4 or 5 days easily. And then there's my charger and a backup charger, so that we never have a situation where there's no electric on the pigs, because chasing pigs that are outside of the fence is no fun. I got a couple tree plantings here that I've just protected with some single strand polywire, keeps them out of that triangle. They've rooted something onto my fence here. So they do that every day. But that is their paddock. Here's the area that's been most heavily hit, because I had their feeder up here, so you can see it's pretty bare, but that'll pop back real quick. And then we're back to home base and their shelter.